Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be making fried fish. I'm going to be using tilapia fish. You can use any fish of your choice. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share, and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So the first thing I will do is to introduce you to what I'm using. I have vegetable oil, fresh tilapia fish, garlic powder, salt, onion, thyme, 1 Maggi cube, fish seasoning, lemon juice, 3 habanero peppers, water and ginger powder. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. Now I'm going to prepare my marinade. Into my blender, I will add 3 habanero peppers, onion, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garlic powder, quarter teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 Maggi cube, half teaspoon of thyme, half teaspoon of fish seasoning. I will add my lemon juice. Then add water. Cover with lid. Then blend it until it's very smooth. I've already washed my fish. Now we pour the marinade into the fish. Then rub it all over the fish with my hand. This step is very important so that the marinade can enter every corner of the fish. I'll set it aside and leave it to marinate for 30 minutes. It's up to 30 minutes now. I've already started preheating my oil. Now I will gently lower the fish into the preheated oil. Be very careful when putting your fish into the hot oil so you don't splash the oil and burn yourself. I will fry it on each side for 4 minutes until it's golden brown. By the way guys, I'm frying this on a medium heat. Then flip it over to the other side so that it can cook as well. So now this is perfectly done. It's golden brown. I will now remove it from it and leave it to drain on a sieve. This is how it looks. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my fried fish. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.